Showcased as the H5X concept at the 2018 Auto Expo, the first production-spec Harrier has rolled off the production line. Welcome to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. And right now, we are going to tell you all you need to know about the production-ready Tata Harrier SUV. Tata has confirmed the Harrier's launch for early 2019. Bookings for the upcoming Tata Harrier are already underway and can be made for a sum of Rs 30,000. We expect prices of the Harrier to start somewhere around the Rs 13.5 to 14.5 lakh mark, and the top spec variant could be priced below Rs 20 lakh. These prices are ex-showroom estimates, and the on-road price of the top spec variant could well go north of Rs 21 lakh. From the production spec images of the Harrier revealed by Tata, it is clear that the SUV will get projector headlamps, a proximity-based keyless entry system, LED elements on the tail lights, rear parking sensors and camera, along with a rear wiper and defogger. The Harrier will also get a floating touchscreen like the Nexon. The Harrier will be offered with a 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, paired with either a 6-speed manual or auto gearbox. It is the same 2-liter multi-jet diesel motor that is also present in the Jeep Compass, but here it's called the Cryotech. The Harrier has been extensively tested in Ladakh, and like the Hexa, it will get driving modes married with terrain response modes. Jaguar Land Rover has been closely associated with the development of the Harrier, so much so that the Harrier's Omega Arc platform is derived from JLR's D8 architecture, a platform that also underpins the current generation Land Rover Discovery Sport. It will, however, be heavily localized to keep production costs low. What do you think about the new Harrier? Do let us know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.